Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another voiceover tutorial. This time I'm doing a multicolor cut crease, so follow along. I start with my primer from Touch and Soul that I'm obsessed with, and I apply this all over my face. Right away, I put my foundation from CoverGirl, and I blend it with my beauty blender. I jump into my brows by using the Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. And then I define them using the Photo Ready Candid Concealer by Revlon. I just apply around and blend. And right after that, I put my eyeshadow primer just to prep my eyes for my eyeshadow application. Today I'm going to be using the beautiful Slices of Paradise from Ace Beauty, starting with the color Honeyberry on a really small brush and just applying it on the inner corner of my eye. On a fluffier brush, I took the color Passion Fruit that I applied right after the placement of the purple, and I just blend it up and I blend it with the same purple as well. Then I used the shade Bluebell, which is this beautiful blue tone, to finish and elongate this cut crease. Right after that, I applied right away my Revlon Candid Concealer, which is really good in brightening. This under where I wanted to create the cut. And on that area, I used the Violet Boss Palette Pro, and I used this beautiful white color to set all of that concealer. Now that we're basically done with that eye, we jump ahead and do the other one off camera, and then continue with the face. I apply some concealer after to clean the under eyes. And I set all of that concealer in my face creams with my MAC powder. I use the same orange shade that I used before on the top of my eyes just to connect and finish the eyes. And then to finish the face, I jump ahead with my highlighting transformation beautiful powder from Dragon Beauty, and I highlighted my under eyes one more time. Look how brightening that looks, like wow. To blush, I use my Alamark Trio Coloreta blush that it's sickening. And to finish the contours of my face, I use the Cookie Cosmetic highlighting and contour palette that I also have been using for a while. As you can see, I even heat pan in one of them. And that's basically it. Let me know in the comments down below if you want more voiceover tutorials like this. I am gonna keep trying to do a YouTube video and a small video tutorial for my Instagram, so if you want to see those, make sure you follow me there. It's at Johnny on the go, and make sure you leave a comment down below. Thank you, bye, see you in the next one.